Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn the use of Ibupu. Ibupu, it means to carry away as a verb in sentences. We are going to learn an Igbo verb that says Ibupu, who means to carry away. Ibupu. Remember, Ibupu is the opposite of Ibute. To carry away, Ibupu. Ibute means to carry in, so it is the opposite of Ibute. Let us start. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, Eze chọrọ ibupu efere ahụ. Again, Eze chọrọ ibupu efere ahụ. It means Eze wants to carry away that plate. Eze chọrọ ibupu efere ahụ. Eze wants to carry away that plate. Remember, like I said, that ibupu is the opposite of ibute. Second example, ọ chọrọ ibupu ya. Class, or say that ọ chọrọ ibupu ya. Ọ chọrọ ibupu ya, meaning he wants to carry it away. He wants to carry it away. Another one says, achọrọ m ibupu nri n'ọkụ. Or say it, achọrọ m ibupu nri n'ọkụ. Achọrọ m ibupu nri n'ọkụ. Maybe someone is calling you to come. Say, please, achọrọ m ibupu nri n'ọkụ. Meaning, I want to carry food away from the fire. Have you not seen it? To carry away is our verb. Remember, it mustn't be at the same place. Like this one, I want to carry food away from the fire. You have seen that to carry, we wrote them together. Then we wrote away differently depending on how you make your statement. So it mustn't be at the same place. Like this one, Eze wants to carry away that plate. They are together. So depending on how you make your statement, just the same thing. Remember, to carry away is a verb. In Igbo, it means ibupu. Ibupu. Remember, you can call afere, efere or afere. It means plate. So, like and share our videos. Share our videos to others to follow us. Share it far and wide. Bye.